Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trini split peas soup. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Yellow split peas need a good soak, ideally for at least 4 hours or even better, overnight. This step is crucial as it significantly cuts down on cooking time and helps achieve that wonderfully smooth, creamy consistency we're aiming for. Remember to rinse them well before and after soaking. Once your peas are soaked, it's time to cook them. Place the soaked peas in a pot with about 4 cups of fresh water for every 1 cup of peas. Add a few cloves of crushed garlic and a pinch of turmeric for color and flavor. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the peas are incredibly soft, which usually takes around 45 to 60 minutes. Then, blend or swizzle until perfectly smooth. Now for the heart of the flavor, seasoning. Prepare a vibrant green seasoning with fresh herbs like cilantro, chives, and a bit of hot pepper if you like. Sauté this aromatic blend briefly before stirring it into your smooth pea base. This is also the perfect time to drop in small flour dumplings, known as dough boy, which cook directly in the soup, absorbing all those delicious flavors. Adjust salt and black pepper to your liking. Let your soup simmer gently for another 10 to 15 minutes after adding the dumplings, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. If the soup is too thick, you can thin it out with a little hot water until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve this comforting Trini split peas soup piping hot. It pairs wonderfully with rice, roti, or even just a slice of crusty bread. Garnish with fresh herbs or a dash of your favorite pepper sauce for an extra kick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.